So I went to Krispy Kreme and got the strawberry glazed donuts. Y'all, I've been wanting these donuts for the longest. Tried some of the donuts already. As you can see, there's like bite marks in some of them, but I wanted to try these strawberry glazed donuts for like a year now. I promise y'all. Last year I tried to get some, but I was too late. They had sold out because this is limited time only, so I was finally able to get some, and it tastes so gross. They're so disgusting. I'm gonna try to see if warming them up will make them taste better. And this is supposed to be cream filled. This is not cream filled. I also got the brown sugar or cinnamon, I forgot what it's called. The blueberry glazed one, and then the Reese's one, which has a chunk of peanut butter in it. So yeah, we will see if it tastes better warmed up. But yeah, I wouldn't waste your time or your money if you are thinking about getting strawberry glaze. And maybe it's just my Krispy Kreme. Maybe just my Krispy Kreme sucks. Maybe your Krispy Kreme is better. And if you don't have a Krispy Kreme where you live, I'm so sorry for your loss. Because they actually have some good donuts. I honestly think they're better than Dunkin' Donuts. But yeah, I was highly disappointed with the strawberry glazed one. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. They taste much better warmed up. So Anthony and I wanted to try a different kind of milk that isn't really milk. So it's called oat milk. And we first heard about it when we were going through the Starbucks drive-thru, and they said that they are now selling oat milk. So we picked up some oat milk. Actually, I have another carton in the fridge. Yeah, so we got 2 cartons of oat milk in the fridge. The first one that we tried was vanilla, and it is disgusting, y'all. But it tastes really good in coffee. And he went back and bought original. I don't know why when the vanilla wasn't good, but I'm going to try the original for the first time and let y'all know how that tastes, if y'all trust my opinion. So let me get a cup. All right, bottoms up. Oh Lord, that's a no for me, dog. I think it's worse than the vanilla. Oh Lord, I need to wash this down with some tart cranberry. Ooh, that stuff will get some bad taste out of your mouth real quick. Oh, that was gross. Don't do it, y'all. And don't do it. So I'm back from HomeGoods. I just wanted to show y'all what I picked up. First, I got this awesome pillow. It goes great with the theme that I'm trying to achieve in this place. I got this faux sheep skin pelt. And then I got this, what would you call it, jute floor pillow or floor cushion, autumn poof, something like that. And I just love the vibes. I'm loving all three of these together. I'm finally doing something with this place. What's up, Mimi? What's that? Oh. So all of that is going to go on this swing chair right here, and I want to actually hang it from the ceiling inside. So Anthony's actually going to get to that for me. Can't wait to show y'all how that turns out. I think I'm gonna make a separate video on how to install a swing chair. But yeah, this is my little outdoor space. Everything is from Target and Pier 1 Imports, and the bench is from, what is that place called? Article. Swing chair is from, I think it's from Wayfair, and I got a really good deal on it. Recently, I picked up this fan to put outside when it gets hot. We also hung up some curtains. If you can see through there, the curtains. I want to put some on this side. It's gonna be a vibe. I cannot wait. We haven't gotten the mirror mounted yet, but that's gonna be another project for Anthony. And then over here are some storage baskets. I love these. I got these for about $20 from Lowe's, a little bit over $20. I think they're like $21 or $22. And I decided to put the baskets over here as storage so you don't like see all the clutter on the shelves. These big old baskets, these things are huge. I got them from HomeGoods actually, and they fit perfectly in the cubby. They were about $40 each, which isn't bad for the size. Like I said, they're huge. I'm gonna be able to put so much in there. So I'm so happy about that, and I cannot wait to show y'all how it looks once I get it all organized. Y'all, I received my HelloFresh package. Yes, your girl has a HelloFresh. I started HelloFresh about maybe a month ago, and best decision of my life. I love HelloFresh. So I'm just going to show y'all everything that came in my HelloFresh package. This is not sponsored, but HelloFresh, if you want to sponsor your girl, go ahead and slide in my DMs. So I've been eating HelloFresh for about a month now, and I'm just loving it. I don't know what took me so long to start HelloFresh. Like I said, this is not sponsored. This is my like true genuine opinion of HelloFresh, and I love HelloFresh. My sister uses HelloFresh. For my HelloFresh, Anthony and I are paying about $80 a month, I believe, which is a really good deal for 4 meals a week. Really good deal. I don't know how we managed to get that deal, but HelloFresh does offer some really good deals. So check it out. I would say a few issues that I've had with HelloFresh is they did forget one of the meats for one of our meals, but this only happened one time, and they credited us like $15 to go towards another meal, something like that. And then another issue that I had with HelloFresh was that some of the produce wasn't very fresh, but it was still edible. So I did have to throw out one. I forgot what it was. But I had to throw it out. But luckily I had some in my refrigerator, so I just used what I had. But anyways, so I just wanted to open this up and show y'all what I got in this HelloFresh package real quick. Just give y'all a little bit more content. Also, sorry I've been MIA for the past like 3 months. I was, at first my camera stopped working, but then I was really enjoying like when my camera stopped working, I stopped getting on social media, like Facebook, Instagram, I just was not getting on social media like I used to. So I was really enjoying it. I felt really at peace. You know, when you get on Instagram, you start comparing yourself to other people. So I was feeling good. I was like, I don't want to get on social media and ruin my peace. But then I was able to fix my camera, and I really missed talking to you guys, vlogging my life, making YouTube videos. And I told y'all I'd be more, what is brightness? Let me turn it down. Oh, I'm not focused. Sorry guys, I didn't realize I was out of focus. I'm probably still, I don't know. If I'm still out of focus, I'm so sorry, but I forgot to do my eyebrows. But yeah, so I just like, let me get back on YouTube, and I told y'all I would be more consistent, so let me keep my promise, right? So, your girl is back. By the way, I know my skirt does not match the top here. I literally just threw this on to film a video, and I left this skirt on. So I don't match, and this is kind of embarrassing. All right, let's see what is in here. All right, so let's open this up. So here are the meals that they sent us for this week. We have the oven-ready barbecue pork chops, the miso chili chicken and lemongrass rice, the bacon penne arrabbiata, something like that, and the Gouda Vibes burgers, oven barbecue pork chops, miso chili chicken and lemongrass rice, bacon penne arrabbiata, something like that, and the Gouda Vibes burger. Yum, that looks good. So let me open this up. So this is what it will look like once you open it up. It's pretty heavy. And your meals will be in there, all separated, organized for you. And there are ice packs in here to keep your food cool, just in case you're worried about it possibly going bad while it's just sitting outside waiting for you to come pick it up. They do have ice bags. So here is the meats. And I'm just gonna stick these in my fridge, well, my freezer. All right, let's get this out of here. It's still heavy. Like, it's crazy how heavy it still is. The ice packs are ridiculously heavy. All right, and I'm just gonna stick these in my fridge, the refrigerator part. All right. And that is the HelloFresh that we got for this week. I'm just so impressed and happy with HelloFresh. It's actually made me a better cook, and it's actually made me enjoy cooking much more. I used to hate cooking, but HelloFresh has really helped me feel more confident in the kitchen. And usually I stick to the same, and usually I end up sticking to the same meals, but that gets kind of boring. So HelloFresh really helps me be more creative. Like it's crazy the different meals that they think of. So it really helps me bring more variety into the kitchen, which is always good because I love to eat. So, but anyways, I hit myself in the face. But anyways, I'm gonna go put this stuff up, and I'm gonna start making one of these HelloFresh meals. I think I'm gonna do the miso chili chicken and lemongrass. That sounds good. I have 2 candles going right now, and they smell so good. The first one is this, what is this called? Oh, so this one is by Hearth and Hand with Magnolia, the Joanna Gaines collection, and it is called Sugar Birched. It's a soy candle, and it smells so good. You can get this at Target, and the other one is also from Target. It is, I don't remember the name, hold on. I have the room spray. My apartment is such a mess. I need to clean it. So I have the room spray. It's called Clarity by Casaluna. I think that's what it says. It smells so good. So I got the candle version of that, and it smells so good. I love this stuff.